this office hours is designed just for, hey, there's a dedicated time every week. You know, if you need some kind of question answered, you know, hop on at that point, and we'll do the best to answer the question or whatever. If it's something particular to your account, we probably need to set up some time where we can look at your data so we don't share private information and stuff. But definitely, you know, if you just have a how-to or whatever, certainly come on from this this 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock time frame every Thursday, and we'll just try to answer whatever questions. However, the thought was, well, you know, there's going to be a lot of beginners that just need to go over the very basics, and maybe what we should do, and I wanted to talk to some of you and just see what your thoughts was, you know, I don't want this time necessarily to be dedicated to demos or you know, dedicated to just brand new people, because everybody has different questions and stuff. So what we thought about doing is having a separate section, a separate time that's just for potentially beginners. Maybe we have another one for intermediate, and we're going to cover the same thing every week. And you know, ultimately it'd be just a recording, but we really want to make it so that you can ask questions while there, but it's still beginning topics, helping you understand the basics. Once you get past that, maybe then we go to an intermediate or an advanced type class, and we get into more and more things. You know, hopefully it's easy enough to use that you don't need that, but we know that there's, you know, especially configurations and things like that, sometimes it just takes a little bit of time to set up. So if anybody has any particular questions, just raise your hand or unmute yourself, or if anybody's muted, and you know, ask away. If there aren't any questions, I've got some things to share. So